Hello, welcome to the EagleScan YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the plagiarism checker on EagleScan, how you can check for plagiarism on EagleScan. So you should have created your account and also paid for your subscription. If you haven't done that, I'll drop links to the video down in the description. So if you need any help on how to do all that, you can check the videos down. So you should have logged in your account. So this is my account, this is my dashboard. As you can see, my subscription status is active, so that means I can use the features here on the left. As you can see, these are the features available currently on EagleScan. So we're going to use the plagiarism checker, and this is how the plagiarism checker looks like. All you need to do is you can upload a document, then you want to check for plagiarism, or you can paste in text. So let's say you have a document, you click browse, then select your document. So this is the document, then you can scroll down. So set threshold, the acceptable percentage of plagiarism allowed. So by default is set by 25%, but you can change it. Your institution can change it. You can increase it or reduce it, whatever you want. That's just what threshold is, the acceptable level of plagiarism allowed. So I'll leave it at 25% for now, and you click submit and wait for the results to be loaded. So it may take a while because of your internet connection or how large your document is. So but this is the result of the plagiarism check. As you can see, it says the document similarity is 97.27%, threshold set is 25%. So definitely the plagiarism is high. This is a little breakdown on the plagiarism check. You can click details here. It will give you a much more detailed breakdown of the check, so you can go through it and like which place had more plagiarism than others. So yes, that's just how the plagiarism checker works on EagleScan. You just select your document or paste in your text, then you set your threshold and then click submit. So that will be all for this video. This video just how to check plagiarism. I'll make videos on the other features of EagleScan. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do like the video if that's helped,